To open keyboard settings on a Realme Note 70T, all you have to do is open Settings on your smartphone. Then we're gonna scroll all the way down and choose System and Update. After that, you should be able to find Keyboard and Input Method. Then go to Manage Keyboards and choose Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on the smartphone. And once you tap on it, you should be able to open keyboard settings. There we go. And this is one of the ways to actually open keyboard settings. Another way to go to settings of the keyboard is to first open the keyboard. So let's open it, hopefully soon. There we go. And you might be able to find a setting icon over here at the top. In case it is not available, we can just tap over there. Let's not allow the permission. And over here, as you can see, we have the setting icons. We can tap over here in order to also open keyboard settings.